Morning student, today we are going to start our chapter number 2nd of term 2nd syllabus. So chapter 2nd is time. Time children you already learned from the class first. How many hours in a, how many minutes in 1 hour and how many seconds in 1 minute. Children, you have seen clock at your home. So children, there are two types of clock. First is 12-hour clock and second is 24-hour clock. At your home generally you have the 12-hour clock, and at railway station and airport you have seen the 24-hour clock. So children, you know there are three hands in the clock. This hand is second hand, and this one is minute hand, and this small hand is hour hand. So children, you know the hour hand complete one round in 12 hours, and the minute hand complete one round in 60 seconds, and the second hand complete one round in the 1 minute. So children, you know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So children, in this chapter we will learn how to convert the one unit to the another unit. So here, in the same way that we learned in the previous chapter, if we convert the bigger unit to the smaller unit, we multiply, and if we convert smaller unit to the bigger unit, we divide. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We multiply it, and when we change the second to minute, we divide it, and minute to hour we divide it, divided by the 60. So here, children, 5 difference is there. In after 12 there is 1 and there is 2. 5 minutes is difference is there. So total here 12 hours. So 12 into 5 is equal to 60 minutes or 60 seconds. So our end complete 2 rounds in a day. So in one day there are 24 hours. So children, let's take an example. Exercise 2.1. Choose the correct unit of time or minute and seconds. Making instant noodles. How many time it will take? So making instant noodles. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And taking one breath. Taking one breath. जब हम लोग सांस लेते हैं, how many time? How much time you have taken? 2 seconds. 2 seconds. And climbing 20 stairs. 20 stairs में सीढ़ी हम जो चलते हैं, no, how many time it will take? 5 minutes. And writing an exam. Writing an exam, how much time you have take? 2 hours. So convert into minute. Convert into minutes. So children, what is given here? Hours. Hours is given here. Hour is bigger unit, and you have to complete change into minute. Minute is smaller unit. So what you have to do? Bigger to smaller, bigger to smaller. So you have multiply it. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. You have to multiply the 6 with the 60. So 6 hour is equal to 6 multiplied by 60 minutes. So 6 hour is equal to 360 minutes. 6 6 are 36. Here take one more example. 8 hours 15 minutes. 15 minutes is given here, and 8 hours is given here. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 8 hour is equal to 8 multiplied by 60. There is 480 minutes, and for 8 hours is equal to 480 minutes plus 15 minutes. 15 minutes is given here, so we plus the 15 with the 480 minutes. So that is 8 hours 15 minutes is equal to 495 minutes. Take one more example, convert into hours and minute. So 300 minute is smaller unit and you have to convert into the hours. So smaller to bigger. So what you have to do? Divide with the 60. So 300 minute is equal to 300 divided by 60. So 300 minute is equal to 5 hours. When we divide the 300 by 60, you will get the 5. Here 5 is the hours and here no minute is there. So 300 minute is equal to 5 hours. You can do this way also. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hours. So 3 minute is equal to 1 by 60 multiplied by 300. You have to divide the 300 by 60. So you will get the 5 hours. Second example, 348 minute. So again we will do the same process that we already done in first example. So 340 divided by 60. So 65 is a 300, remaining is there 48 minute. So this one is the minute and 5 is the hours. So 348 minute is equal to 5 hours 48 minutes. Take one more example, convert into seconds. Convert into second. What we given here? Minute is given here and you have to change it in the second. So minute is bigger unit and seconds is the smaller unit. So you have to multiply it. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 25 minute is equal to 25 multiplied by 60 seconds. There is 1500 seconds. So 1500 seconds. One more example is there. 15 1 by 3. 15 1 by 4. So 15 is minute and 1 by 4 is quarter. Quarter of 60. This one is second. So 15 you multiply by 60. So you will get the 900 second. And what we do with this 1 upon 4? So 1 upon 4 we will divide the 60 with the 4. So you will get the 15 second. 1 upon 4 means 15 second. So 1 by 4 is equal to 900 plus 15 minutes. So there is 915 second. Exercise 2.2. Add the following. You have to add the time. 3 minutes 20 second, 2 minutes 30 second. So first this is the example 3 minutes 20 second and 2 minutes 30 second. First you arrange in column, write 3 minutes 20 second and 2 minutes and 30 second. Add second with second and minute with minute. So 20 plus 30 is equal to 50 second and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 minutes. So 5 minutes 50 seconds. So here 4 years, 11 months and 10 months. Children, you all know the 1 year has the 12 months. So you have to place it 4 year, 11 month and no year is given, only months is given here. So we write the 10 months here and no year here. So we will put the 0. So 11 plus 10 is equal to 21 and here 4. So children, you know how many months in a year? Only 12 months, but here 21 months. So we will give the 12 months to this side. It means 12 months is equal to 1 year. So we minus 12 with this 21. हम इस 21 से 12 को minus कर देंगे. Then you will get the 9 months and 1 year we will give to this side. So 4 year 21 month is equal to 5 years 9 months. So we add 1 here and we minus 12 months from here. So it will 9. Subtract the following. 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 23 seconds. Minus it. 10 minutes, and no second is there, 8 minutes and 23 seconds. So here we put the 0. So children, see here carefully, we cannot minus 23 by the 0. So what we will do? We will take here 60. When you need the carry, you will take only 60 here, because in time we will take the 60 minutes is there, 60 seconds is there, so you will get the 60. So 60. So 0 minus 3 will not get, so we will carry from here, so it will 5 and it will 10. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So 37 seconds and it will 9, because we will give the 1 minute to here. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute 37 seconds. And we minus it 11 years, 7 months, 3 years, 4 months. 11 years, 7 months and 3 years, 4 months. 7 plus 4 is equal, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 months. And 11 minus 3 is equal to 9 years. Now children, you have seen the time, we will write the time by AM or PM. AM means anti-meridian. Anti-meridian, time just after 12 midnight to just before 12 noon. Children, you know at midnight, from just after midnight, रात के 12 बजे के बाद से दिन के 12 बजे के just before, we will write the AM. We will write the AM. And PM just after 12 noon, दिन के 12 बजे के बाद से रात के 12 बजे के just before, उसके पहले तक, we will write the post meridian. So AM time just after 12 midnight to just before 12 noon, and PM time just after 12 noon to just before 12 midnight. Exercise 2.3, write the finishing time using AM or PM. So here children, finishing time. So you all know, if you work, start any work at 8 o'clock. So children, and you complete that work at 10 o'clock. So how many time you have taken to complete your work? Here the finishing time is 8. Starting time is 8. So we will start your time at 8 o'clock and finishing time when you will complete 10 o'clock. So what is the time period? How much time you will take? 8 after 8, 9 and 10. 2 hours. 2 hours is the time period. So starting time when your work is started and finishing time when your work is finished, and time period, the time taken by that work. 12 hours after 1:20 AM. 12 hours after 1:20 AM. Here the starting time is 1:20. When your work is started 1:20, and after is written here, so the time period is 2 hours. The work time period is 2 hours. आपको काम करने के लिए समय लगा है 2 hours, and you have to find the finishing time when your work is finished. So 1 hour 20 minutes and 2 hours, minute is not there, so plus 8, 20 plus 0, 20 minute, and 1 plus 2 hour is equal to 3 hour. So finishing time is 3 hours 20 minutes. So write the time AM or PM. So here children, 2 hours after 1:20. What is the time here given here? 1:20 AM. It means 1:20 time is the night time. रात के 1:20 time है. So this time is also the time of at night, 3:20 AM. So you will write the AM. Understand children? Write the starting time using AM or PM. Here you will write the finishing time. In finishing time you have to plus it. write the starting when your work is started. So finishing time minus time period is equal to starting time. Here what is given here? 12 o'clock and and 15 minutes. So what time is not given here? midnight. This time is the 12 midnight and 5 hours 15 minutes is given here. midnight मीन रात के 12 बजे से एंड 5 hours आपको टाइम लगा. देन यू हाउ यू माइनस इट? minute is not given here, so we'll take the 60 minus 15 you will get the 45 minutes and 1 hour minute you will give here, so we will minus here from 12 we will minus here, so it will 11. So 60 minus 15 is equal to 45 and 11 minus 5 you will get the 6 hour. So how you write this midnight time? After midnight you will write the PM. After midnight you will write the PM. So here you will write the 6:45 PM. Now one story problem. The surgery that started at 6:20 AM. It means the surgery is started in the morning, went on for 3 hours 20 minutes. At what did it get over? You have to find when the surgery is get over. You have to find the finishing time. So starting time of surgery is 6:20 AM and time period of surgery is 3 hours 20 minutes and finishing time you have to find. So you have to plus it. 6 hours 20 minutes and 3 hours 20 minutes. So 20 plus 20 40 minutes and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 hours. So surgery get over at 9:40 AM. This time is the morning time. So 1 plus you will get the 20 minutes 50 second plus 12 minutes 50 second. You have to plus it. 20 minutes 15 second and 12 minutes 50 second. When you plus it, 15 minus 50 so you will get the 65 and 20 minus 12 you will get the 32 minutes and 65 minutes. But children, you know how many seconds in 1 minute? Only 60 seconds. So here 5 is more. So you have to minus 60 from the 65. So what is remaining here? 5 seconds is remaining here. So you will give the 1 minute to here. So here 32 comes 33 minutes and here 65 minutes come 5 seconds. So 20 minutes 15 second, 12 minutes 15 second is equal to 33 minutes and 5 second. So children, this lesson is your completed and from next class we will take the next chapter. Thank you.